Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the online video classes. This video is for class 2 subject environmental studies, and in this video we are going to do the revision of chapter number 14. So first we will revise the chapter and then we will have a short revision test. This video is prepared by your EVS teacher Deepa Singh. So let's see what all is there in this chapter and then let's go through the short revision test. So let us start our video with our first topic, that is sun. The sun is a huge ball of fire. It looks small because it is far from us. It gives us heat and light. It helps the plants to grow. So all of you know that sun, it is a huge ball of fire. It is very far from our earth. That is why it looks small to us. Otherwise, it is a very big star. The sun gives us heat and light, and it also helps the plants to prepare their food with the help of the heat which it gives to them. So sun is a huge ball of fire. Then next we have is the solar system. The solar system is the family of the sun. The sun and the 8 planets, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, form the solar system. And these 8 planets move around the sun. So children, we have 8 planets in our solar system, and the name of the 8 planets is, first is Mercury, as you can see in the picture, the Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and finally we have Neptune. And all these planets, they keep on moving around the sun in their orbits. Then we come to the moon. All of you must be seeing the moon every day at the night. So we can see the moon in the sky at night. The moon moves around the earth. It takes about 28 days to complete one circle. It is the satellite of the earth. It has no air or water. Hence, no one can live there. So we see the moon in the sky at night. The moon, it moves around the earth. And to complete one circle, it takes 28 days. Moon is also the satellite of the earth. There is no air or water on the moon, because of which we cannot live there. For the survival, we need air and water, and air and water is not available on the moon. That is why we cannot live there. Then students, we have different shapes of the moon. The moon does not have its own light. When we are seeing the moon, we see it as a bright moon, but the moon does not have its own light. it reflects the light of the sun. We see different shapes of the moon every night. So every night we see the different shapes of the moon. Sometimes we see the full moon, sometimes we see half moon, sometimes we see the crescent moon. So we see the different types of shapes of the moon. First is new moon. The new moon is very dark and we cannot see it at all. It is called Amavasya in Hindi. So the new moon is very dark and we cannot see it, and it is called as Amavasya. Then after the new moon we have crescent moon. Crescent moon means a very small moon when we can see. The moon at any stage between new moon and first quarter and between last quarter and the succeeding new moon, when less than half of the illuminated hemisphere is visible. Illuminated means shining, bright one. So a crescent shape is a symbol or emblem used to represent the lunar phase in the first quarter, or by extension a symbol representing the moon itself. Crescent moon is a very small moon. It is between the new moon and the first quarter and between the last quarter and the succeeding new moon. When less than half of the moon we are able to see. When in the sky we see less than half of the moon, that is the crescent moon. Then we have half moon. Half moon means when the moon is half. Half moon is the moon when only half of the surface facing the earth is lit by light from the sun, or the moon in which half its surface can be seen from the earth. So half moon is the moon when we are able to see only the half surface of the moon, and the other half surface of the moon we are not able to see and it is dark. That comes in the category of half. Then children, we have gibbous moon, the face of the moon in which its illuminated part is greater than a semicircle and less than a circle. When we see in the sky the moon which is more than the half one or more than the semicircle and is less than a circle, then it is gibbous moon. So students, we see the different shapes of the moon at different night. Then we have day and night formation. Every day we have day, then night comes, then again day comes and again night comes. In this way, this process goes on. But how this day and night formed? Actually, a globe is a model of our earth. Earth is round like an orange. The movement of the earth around the sun causes day and night. All of you must be knowing about the globe. Now you can see the picture of the globe on the screen. Globe represents our earth. It is a model of our earth. Earth is round like an orange, and the movement of the earth around the sun causes day and night. The part of the earth that faces the sun has a day, and the part of the earth which remains away from the sun has night. In the picture also you can see that the sun is there. The light rays of the sun are going and reaching the half part of the globe, and that part is having the day, and the other part where the sun rays are not reaching on the earth, that part is having the night. So in this way day and night are formed. So students, we have revised the chapter. Now there is a revision test for you. You have to do this revision test in your EVS copy. You will write down the heading revision test. Then you will copy down the questions and you will write down the answers. So first question is, what is the solar system? Then let us see question number 2. Why can we not live on the moon? Then let us go through the question number 3. Name the only planet on which life exists. Then question number 4. The moon reflects the light of the earth or sun. You have to tick the correct answer. Then fifth one. We can see the moon at night or in the daytime. Whichever is the correct answer, you have to tick that answer. So this is the revision test for you. With this, we come to the end of this video. We will continue with our chapter in the next video. Till then, have a good day and prepare your chapters well for your exams.